Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And are you tired of clutter taking over your space? Today I am sharing 3 easy DIY organizer that will save you space and keep your home tidy. Let's dive in. First up, we have the plastic containers. These versatile items can be found in any kitchen. Repurpose them by using them to organize a small item like craft supplies, office materials, or even snacks. Label each containers for each identification and stack them to maximize vertical space. You will be amazed at how much tidier your space looks. Now let's talk about the comb organizer. Using a tape roll, and grave a empty tape roll and decorate it if you like. Simply space your comb inside the roll, and this not only keeps them upright but also make them easy to grab when you need them. And it's a simple yet effective way to declutter your vanity. Finally, we have the cardboard organizer. Take some cardboard box and think shoe boxes or delivery boxes and cut them into sections. You can create compartment for anything from makeup to stationery. Simply stick these boxes on a shelf or in a drawer. You can even decorate them for a personal touch. This method is not only budget friendly but also customizable to fit your specific needs. So there you have it, this easy DIY organizer. The comb organizer is using a tape roll, versatile plastic container, and a practical cardboard organizer. These projects are quick to make and will transform any cluttered area into an organized oasis. Give them a try and reclaim your space. So guys, I just wanted to take a moment to say thank you for watching my video. Your support means the world to me, and I couldn't do this without you. Creating content that entertain and inspire you is my passion, and I am grateful for the opportunity to do what I love every day. Whether you have been following me from the beginning or just recently discover my channel, I appreciate each and every one of you, and I am committed to bringing you the best content possible. And I am always looking for way to improve and grow as a creator. Your feedback and comment are incredible valuable to me, so please keep them coming. If you have not already, please consider subscribing to my channel so you never miss a new video. And if you enjoy my content, please share it with your friends and family. Once again, thank you for your support. It means more than word can express. I can't wait to continue creating content that brings joy, inspiration to your life. Till then, bye, take care guys. And if you like, please comment and don't forget to like, share, subscribe.